Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply delete a channel on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're gonna go ahead and start our video. For the matter, access your WhatsApp first, and now go back, and this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? Tap on this updates option afterwards, and now here in this section you can find this option called find channels, and here in this section you can see the channels that you have created. Go ahead, tap on that channel over here. Now this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? You're gonna tap on the channel name on top, and then you're gonna scroll down. You can see this option called delete a channel. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and this will let you know channel will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to recover the channel, and followers can see past activity. So if you have done any activity within your channel, your followers will be able to get access to it. It won't be removed. Afterwards, tap on this delete, and you will be able to delete your channel just right there, like that, from your WhatsApp easily. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.